Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the following topic: how to fix Strava activity. If you're having problems with fixing your Strava activity, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods, starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix: airplane mode. Turn it on from the notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This resets your network connection and can fix temporary glitches. Once you turn it off, go back to Strava and try logging it again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there is an update available for Strava. Open your Play Store app or App Store and then search for Strava and see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using an outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear the app's cache, especially on Android. Here's how. Go to settings and then search apps and then click on app, then scroll down until you see the app Strava. Then click on the app Strava and then scroll a bit down and click on storage. Then you'll see the option of clear cache. This clears out old data that might be causing issues. If you are on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get to in a second. And if none of that helped, go ahead and delete the app Strava from your phone and then reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. This gives you a fresh install and the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems. And there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your Strava account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.